and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and we're very excited to start unboxing our 2026 Sallie Tomato & Co. box. This year, we've curated the Mariner's Compass sewing box featuring the 2026 color of the year, which is transformative teal. And everything in the box was chosen to coordinate together, but still give you some flexibility depending on what you feel like making. The serene, restorative tones of transformative teal add a tranquil yet striking touch to your bag making creations, blending everyday elegance with a sense of calm and renewal. For the next 14 days, we'll unbox one item each day and share tips and ideas along the way to help you make the most of these ocean-inspired materials. So let's dive into the box. Got my Sallie Tomato scissors. This is the moment we've been waiting for. A pretty tissue paper. And let's find day one. I'm going to set the box aside. Look at the little fish, so cute. I love the details. Day one, you won't want to sail the 7 seas without strapping down with this nautical themed item. We like our puns here. We like to make you smile at Sallie Tomato. We have fun. So you get some hardware, webbing, and a link to a tutorial. So today we have a really useful essential for bag making accessories. We've included our brand new nautical webbing and a webbing strap hardware kit. We designed this webbing specifically for the Sallie Tomato & Co. box. Sallie Tomato webbing is a durable option for bag straps and handles. It adds strength and style to your creations. Plus, it can easily be paired with coordinating fabrics and patterns from the box, which you will see very soon during the upcoming unboxing days. This new webbing is available for purchase today on sallietomato.com, along with several other design options. Woven webbings are a fantastic way to add personality to your bag projects. We have a growing selection of options, so we hope that you'll find the perfect style to match your vibe and add that extra special touch to your bag making. For sealing the ends of webbing, we recommend to lightly touch the short raw ends with a lighter or a candle flame. If you're not comfortable using a flame, simply zigzag over the raw ends with your sewing machine. Either option works great, just go with whatever you're comfortable with. And for more webbing tips, we've added a link to an inspirational tutorial below, and you'll probably start to see a few ideas come together once we get a few more unboxing days in. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing and got inspired by our Mariner's Compass box. And if you're interested in receiving next year's Sallie Tomato & Co. box, make sure to join our newsletter through the link below. We'd love to see your creations. Use the hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag SallieTomato&Co. on social media so we can see it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you make with the Mariner's Compass supplies.